Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about Aptabase. So this is an open source analytics provider, like Firebase Analytics, but this is open source and it is lightweight. So if you have used Firebase SDK before, you will notice it's a little bit heavy on the client side. But I find this one to be lightweight and it gets the job done, plus it's open source. So that is what I will be showing you guys how to include it into your Unity project today. All right. So first and foremost, you need to have an account. So I will go ahead and create an account right now. So you can click on get started. So we have EU, US. You can pick any region close to you. I'll be going with EU. And then you can sign up with whatever you want to Google, GitHub, email and password. I will just sign up with Google and then I'll skip this part. You can do this by yourself. All right, so my account is created and then I get this welcome screen. Hi, Samuel. So the first thing to do is to create an app. So, and it's pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to give this app a name. Let's say demo app and then create. So now the app is created. All I need to do now is to add this key to my app, which is my Unity project. So this key can work for any project you have that you want to track analytics for. So either is a React app, a browser extension, but in this case, I'm working with Unity, so I'll be using a Unity project. So I'm going to copy this, and then we need the instruction on how to set up the SDK and the rest. So all you just need to do, you can click on this, and then it's going to take you to the instruction page, or you can come to here, instruction. So here you get the instruction on how to set up a project. So for our case, let's highlight Unity. Yeah, Unity engine. And here are the instructions to set up Unity. Now let's go over to Unity and see what is going on there. So here is my Unity project. Here is my simple Hello World Unity project that I have Aptabase set up already. So all you need to do is to go to Window, Package Manager, and then you click on this plus icon here, and then you click on Install Package from Get URL. So I already installed the package, but if you check the instruction, it says enter this Git URL. So all you need to do is to copy this Git URL and then paste it here. And then it will install the package, but I already have the package installed. So this is it, Aptabase package. So once this is installed and you have imported the package successfully, that is it, you are ready to go, but not yet. So we need to provide our API key to Aptabase. So if you go to your assets folder, you will see this Aptabase folder. You open it, you open the resource section, and then you see this resource settings. So here is your app key. So you need to provide an app key. So that is the key that you have here. So I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to dump this here in my Unity project. And that is it. But now we need a build number for our app so we can tell Aptabase which version of our app we are tracking. So for my case, I just set this app version to 1.0.1, and if I go to file, build profile, and then player settings, you can see that my version here is set to 0.1.0. So if you have a new version and you want to track updates for that version, all you need to do is to increase the version and then allow Aptabase to do the rest. So with all this setup, we are just close, but we are not done yet. So we need a final straw. So you can just go to your project and then you can create a script. So in this case, I'll be using the game manager script. So all you just need to do for this script is to create a simple C# script and include this code, Aptabase track event. So by default, Aptabase does not track event for you. You need to create the basic event you want to track. So then you can start tracking an event for you. So I'm going to drop this full script in link in the description. You can find it on my GitHub. then you can see what is going on in this code. But all I'm just doing here is to track the app start event. So if a user open my app for the first time, I'm just tracking, okay, customer A open the app, customer B open the app. So that is the basic event I'm tracking. So let's give this a try. I'm going to switch this to play mode now. And by the way, I already included the script in my game manager. So I have attached this script to the game manager in this scene. So let's run this and see what is going on. Now the game is running. You can do whatever we want, click around just to see what is going on. And then now I'll go back to the Aptabase dashboard and see what is going on there. So going to the dashboard, and yeah, so this is it. This is how we can keep track of the analytics. So right now it is tracking debug analytics. As you can see here, is in debug data. So it knows that this is not production ready yet. So it's just tracking the debug progress. Now, if I want to track my production project, all I need to do is to build this project, make an APK or an AAB version of it, and then export it maybe to Play Store or wherever I want to export it to. And with that done, we just come back here and then switch from debug to release. And like that, I can track production update. So yeah, that is it about Aptabase. So it's really friendly and pretty straightforward. And it's a cool analytic tool you can have if you don't want to use the Firebase analytics. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.